Hey, what's up, YouTube? Lil Miko here, and today gonna be playing some Madden Mobile. So we're gonna do like one live event and four head-to-heads, and we got 30 pack opening. We gonna open 30 packs. So I'm gonna do this scrimmage first, so I can level up. I hope. Oh, I accidentally put off my face cam. I'll put it back on like in another video. Should be able to make this. Bam. Jennings. 3 touchdowns. Gotta do 2 more. I went straight through that coach. I mean, through that referee. There we go. That was easy. We're going to do the head-to-heads last after we do the 30 pack opening. Well, 31 now. Yep, we did level up too. So, okay. We're going to start with, these collectibles. So, we're going to start off with the game time packs. Well, I got one more. Wait, I think I can go get my last game time pack. Yep, we can. I only got one more too. That's perfect. Okay, and we got 1,050 coins. So we got 31 packs to open. Alright, so, I mean, they're really like anything. We got some pro packs to open, some scrimmage, and 3 daily warm-ups. Game plan, Madden season, 3 legacies, 1 game changer. And what was that purple one? Champion. So we're gonna start from the Madden season. Okay, a Madden collectible. Do a legacy. Let's see. Madden. Okay, that player is horrible. Okay, another legacy. Another Madden training, 250 quick sets. It's pretty cool. Last legacy. 1,000 quick sets and a Madden trading name. That's pretty good. Now in this Champions pack. Okay, let's see. Just a collectible. Division NFC. Let's do the game plan. Just probably gonna be like regular as game. Yeah. Alright, let's do the game changers. And collectibles. Now it's game times, man. Oh, nah, nothing. Probably another nothing. Yep. They all probably weak packs, like the bronze players. Weak. All 64 so far. Man, they're weak. Probably not in the pro pack. That's not what's gonna happen. 100. Oh, I thought that was 1,000. It's 100 quick sell. Another 100 quick sell. Man, I might as well just get a whole bunch of quick sells. I'm gonna start doing the quick sell sets. Another 100 quick sells. 2 game time packs to open. Okay. Okay, looks like we got something here. Oh, just a whole bunch of game collectibles. Game time collectibles. Yep, nothing special. Alright, 16 more packs to open. Now we into this pro pack. Okay. Oh, let's get it. Melvin Ingram and Eric Murray. How is he better than one of my people? Alright, another pro pack. Come on. Something good. Okay, Nolan Carroll. Okay. Let's get it. Robert Mathis. Alright. More pro packs. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna start from the middle. Oh, Josh Mugwa. It's pretty good. 75. Two more pro packs. I'm gonna start from the right side. 64 OG. Oh, Teddy Bridgewater, let's go. 77. Man, it's pretty good for Madden 17. I mean, I think I got all the right. All gold players for my. Oh my god! Oh my god! 85 LB Pernell Memphis. I said Memphis. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, first elite. Let's get it, man. I swear that was one of the best things today. Oh, and I am not faking. I actually like that. Because most people, they just be like faking in their videos. Okay, 250 quick sell. That's my first elite I pulled since Madden 17 came out. That's pretty good. What is these over here? Is this a glitch? Should be like two more over here, I think. I don't know. Okay. Just all NFL game posts. I'm so glad we put that elite. Daily warm-ups. I don't know why I put these in here as the... Alright, one more. Man, I'm so glad I just pulled that elite. Let's see. Alright, let's go update our team. How much he's going for? Wait, what is the name again? Update. Teddy Bridgewater. Wait, where was that elite defense? Yeah, it was. I'm not gonna see how much you go for right now. Man, that's perfect. Oh my god, first elite. Man, that was perfect. Probably makes. I think we made our money back basically. People, my friend Angel say that. Also, I'll be giving shout outs if you stay active on my channel. You know what? I'm gonna put all these back. I'm putting them in the sets. Alright, looks like that's the end of the video. See you next time. Peace.